Hey you guys, welcome to a little studio. This looks a bit different. I did a video actually how I transform my makeup studio room, the one that I'm filming in always. So this is how it looks if I'm standing. You can see the lights. Usually you just see the shadow of the light, the actual light, not the light. It just doesn't make sense. Anyways, this video I am checking out loads of women vest wear outfits. I got quite a lot. I'm just gonna before I'm gonna drop all. I got quite a lot of it. I did one video before. I am literally obsessed with this brand because it's just so good. This is like the best gym wear, yoga wear, lounge wear, whatever we call it, the best. The quality is just so they recently had like a massive sale on their website, so I thought, you know what, I'm gonna treat myself and get some outfits from their website. I started actually exercising way much more during this lockdown, and I've noticed that loads of people kind of started exercising more often and more than they did prior lockdown and pandemic. It's just, I think we all had a bit more time on our hands and we could afford exercising more. Yeah, I exercise at home, but I needed something new, so here it is. Without any further ado, let's start. Oh, by the way, if you're liking this makeup look, I just actually filmed the tutorial for this. This should be up on my channel already. It's a super easy, super quick daily glam. This literally took me 15 minutes, maybe no less. This is so quick. Full face I'm talking about. So yeah, videos in there if you guys want to check it out. What should we start from? Shorts? Why not? So I got these shorts are called Women's Best Camo Seamless Cycling Shorts Green. I took in size extra small as this is a size I purchased before and it fits me perfectly. So this is how it looks. Maybe color green. Really love it. Love the material. What I really love is super elasticated, high waist. It's like a band. I hope you guys can see. See how wide it is? It sits so nicely on a waist. I'm talking about previous leggings that I got from Women's Best, and I know from experience that it sits super nicely on. It looks amazing. It's very comfortable. So without any further ado, let's try these on, right? This feels so comfortable, you guys. It fits perfectly. I'm usually UK size 6, size 8. I took size it says, and this just fits perfectly. Like, it's perfect size. It sits nicely. The material itself is very nice. I just felt like I said nice so many times, but it's just, yeah, it's super elastic as well. What do you guys think? Love this, you guys. Honestly, guys, this is just so comfortable, and this, like I said, super high-waisted elastic band because it's wide as well, so kind of, you know, keeps you in. And it's so comfortable. And when you exercise, I'm talking about my previous leggings that I got from Women's Best. When you exercise, it doesn't move up and down, like, you know, if you do squats or like push-ups or anything, sometimes you get that it kind of rolls, or, you know, especially the back, it goes down or anything. It doesn't happen in this, and material is not see-through at all. Okay, let's check another item. This one is Power Seamless Long Sleeve Crop Top in black. So it's just like a crop top in a black color. Long sleeves. It has this hole for a thumb, so it's like overly long sleeves should go to here, and then the thumb should go like this through. So it's perfect for, you know, when you're exercising, lifting anything. So I took this in a size S. It's just that I've seen online that it's super tight, so I got a little bit scared if I take, you know, size XS, if it can be like overly super tight and I wouldn't feel comfortable in it. So for that reason I took size S. Okay, let's try this on. It's very comfortable as well. I was a bit skeptical about this part for hands because I have another tops from different brands and I find it a bit uncomfortable. Like, I feel like it's going, like, rubbing too much in close to the thumb, if that makes any sense. But this feels actually comfortable. It doesn't feel like too tight or anything like this. As I said, I took in a size S because I thought XS might feel a little bit too small for me. Although I really love this. It has like a pattern on. I'm not sure if you see this, guys, but it's lovely. I absolutely love it. And it's so comfortable. I actually have, so this is called the Power Seamless Long Sleeve Crop Top. So Power Seamless. So from the same range of the Power Seamless, I have this black leggings. So it's exactly like a match for that. So that Power Seamless leggings in black, the same as Power Seamless crop top, long sleeve top in black. Honestly guys, this top is so comfortable. I might just wear it. Like, can I lounge in that or just go somewhere wearing this? Is that socially acceptable? I think I'm gonna love pretty much every item from here. So if I say I love this like a million times, I'm really sorry. Okay, I'll put this on so you guys can see how the whole set looks. These are in size XS as well. As I mentioned, I took all the leggings and shorts that I got in XS, and then on tops I took in different sizes as I just thought it gonna fit me better. I wasn't sure honestly. Check out these leggings first, you guys. These are super comfortable. I got these like a few months ago, so these been like washed quite a few times already. So quality wise, I can tell you it's not getting like, you know, little bubbles or anything. You know when sometimes clothes get this like little bubbles on top? That makes sense. These doesn't get that. I've been wearing these leggings so many times and quality wise is still perfectly fine. There's no little bubbles coming up on it or like, you know, running, because it's kind of like a knitted leggings, if that makes sense. Once again, the super high-waisted white band. Yeah, super comfortable, you guys. Looks good, feels good, what else do you want? And it's quick. I honestly really love it. I'm obsessed. Let's have more leggings maybe. So move seamless leggings in brown gray marl in size extra small once again. This looks amazing, feels amazing. Once again, this is very different material to this power leggings. These power leggings are more, I don't even know how to explain, but it's more like it keeps you in together more. Then these are more like a chilled leggings, more stretchy and more like a lounging leggings. That's what I probably would say. So these are in the color brown gray marl, and I have these move seamless leggings in the color blue marl. So I purchased these before. So these are after washing. Look how it looks. So this is brand new. That's how the way it looks. And after quite a few washes and uses, haven't stretched, haven't teared, haven't, you know, like I said, some leggings gets like a little bubbles on it. I don't know if that ever happened to you, but absolutely obsessed with these. I'm gonna try this on as well so you guys can see how it looks. But first I'm gonna put this on. This is how it looks. It's so different to the power line. The move line is kind of softer material, is more comfortable. If you think about these leggings, I love it, super comfortable as well. I just noticed that I had on my body cream marks in here on the top when I was putting on. I kind of put it off, so I cleaned it off, guys. So if you've been thinking what are those two white marks was, it's from my body cream. Let's try this blue marl, exactly the same, just in blue, that I got from my previous Women's Best haul. Let's put these on. This is how it looks on. Do you know what? So this, as I said, this move seamless leggings feels more comfortable. I can't say more comfortable because the power feels more like a spandex. The power line, the black leggings that I had in there, it feels more like a spandex. It's just kind of put you together. That makes any sense. While this move line is more like a smooth. Both super comfortable though, so don't get me wrong. So this is how the move seamless leggings in blue marl looks. Super comfortable once again, so thumbs up for me. Let's check another item. So another one is these leggings. So these are the power seamless leggings in khaki in XS, as I said, like everything in size XS. So this material is like straight away so much different from the move seamless leggings. The difference between the power and the move seamless, the move is probably called seamless because there's no pattern going on or anything. It's just, you know, the color. There's no pattern on the actual material, that's what I mean. While the power has this pattern going on black one, you might have seen it. See on the side it goes this pattern. That's what I meant, like the same on the top because it's the same line, the power line. So you have this like a pattern on the actual material going on. So for that reason, this power one seems more like a spandex. All these prints and everything kind of puts everything in a place, kind of keeps you know. That makes sense what I'm saying. Okay, let's just put this on. Alright guys, so I got the leggings on. I took the top off as well because I'm just getting too hot. I'm filming in kind of small room and I have the lights in front of me because I'm filming, so it's getting, you know, hot, so I needed to take a top off. So yeah, leggings are on, as I said. I knew it's gonna be super comfortable because I have these black ones from previous purchase, and I know it's comfortable. It's just a different color in the same leggings for me. But yeah, what do you guys think? I actually really love this. It's super comfortable. I'm like obsessed with women's best. I haven't found a better brand for like gym wear or yoga wear, whatever you prefer to call it. I feel like this is the best brand I came across so far, at least. Let me know what's your favorite brand that you tried in the comments down below. Yeah, I love this. Waterproof. Thumbs up from you guys. I am obsessed with this leggings. What do you think about this khaki color? Let me know what's your favorite. Okay, I got still one pair of leggings and another top. Let's check your leggings. So leggings, again, this power seamless leggings, but in color red and in a size extra small. As I said, I took all leggings and shorts in a size extra small. So let's see what we got. Love the packaging, by the way. I don't know if I mentioned this, but these packs are actually degradable plastic. It has this sign in here, so there's no plastic waste. If you thought like, oh my god, there's so much packaging, I thought that at first too, like when I ordered first time, and then I seen this little sign in here. We should have more brands do that, I think. What do you guys think? Let me know. Okay, red color, obsessed. I've been seeing this red color all over my Instagram because there's loads of fitness accounts that I follow. So once again, exactly the same print like the previous one because this is the same line. It has this super stretchy wide high-waisted band. Alright, so leggings are on. I knew it's gonna be super comfortable. What do you guys think? I love it, honestly. I feel like I say I love it every time I put it on, but I truly love it. It's just so comfortable. If you're wondering, but it might be sponsored because I am like literally bragging about it. It's not. Love it. Love, love, love it. Definitely a good investment. So comfortable, you guys. As I say, it sits in the same place. It doesn't move when exercising or moving or anything. It doesn't need to be worn for only exercising. Like you can just lounge in that. The way I wish it's just, yeah, it's comfortable. Alright, so I got one more item, and it's a hoodie. The big hoodie in the size medium. Okay, so I took size medium rather than XS or S like that previous top because every time I get hoodie, I always tend to go for bigger size. It's just with hoodies, I like this like oversized feeling. Makes sense. I prefer hoodie to be oversized. I don't like it to be like super tight. Plus exercising, because it's not like stretchy material or anything, it's a hoodie. I kind of want it to be like, you know, free and let me move properly. So that's why I went for bigger size. Okay, let's see what we got. Okay, I love already that it has this higher neckline. So for warmer hoodie, it's perfect. I think if you're going outside, like go for a jog or hike or anything. I personally get a lot, like especially if it's windy, and I live in Scotland, it's windy a lot. Normal hoodie goes like this, you know, so this part always gets cold for me. So this higher neck part is not like a turtleneck because it's wide, but it's higher. Another thing that I like, it's oversized, as I said, because I took in size M. It has this string on the bottom, like where your waist would be. Probably it's gonna be longer for me than my waist because I took in a bigger size, but I wanted to go for that. Material itself feels amazing. It's like extra soft. It has this warm part inside. I don't know how it's called. It's like fleece. Is that correct word? And then at the back we have this like mesh going on, which is completely see-through, like proper mesh material. And then we have this insert extra material at the back, so if you're moving, you know, stretching your arms or anything, you have extra space, which is a thing. Amazing. Okay, let's try this on. I love this. Love, love, love this. As I said, it has this higher neck because normal hoodie would be, you know, like here. So it's perfect if you like going for like a run or hike, or you live in a windy place and you go outdoors. Love how oversized it looks. And then this part you basically could keep like this loose and it looks pretty, I think. What do you guys think? The back, this extra part, the mesh material, I think it looks pretty. I have a mirror in front of me so I see myself as well. Yeah, I really love this. Love that the sleeves are like longer, maybe because I took a bigger size. And then you have these two strings, so you can actually draw it on your waist if you wish. then this mesh material kind of hides in, so if it's colder you kind of give some warmth as well. This is really cleverly made because when you put this on the waist, when you tie it on the waist, the mesh kind of hides, so it looks like a cropped hoodie from the back. I think this looks amazing. Very, very comfy as well, very warm. Not the best to put a hoodie on and long leggings when you have all these lights around you. I feel like I'm gonna be sweating soon. So it's all the items I got in this Women's Best try-on haul. I got quite a few items, isn't it? I got 6 new plus 2 older ones that I showed you, so changed a lot in this video. As I mentioned, I spent more money. This is not sponsored in any way. I just truly love a brand. This hoodie, I'm gonna be living in it because it's just, yeah, you guys, it's just so comfy. I can't stop bragging about it because I just love it. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this video and you found helpful. Let me know what's your favorite gym brand, like, you know, active wear brand in the comments down below. Mine obviously is Women's Best, as you can tell. Honestly, I'm like obsessed with a brand. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to press the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more. Leave a comment down below, let me know what you'd like to see next up on my channel. Should I do more makeup tutorials or more like shopping hauls and try on hauls or more of reviews? And which item was your favorite, by the way? Leave a comment down below, let me know. Really want to hear your opinion on that. And yeah, I shall see you very, very soon. Thank you so much for watching and bye. Have an amazing day, guys. Ciao.